Okay, you guys, so we are going over our material from this past unit about the Northwest Ordinance. We're going to do a short assessment over the Northwest Territories and the states that were first to become states during that period of time. So I am going to pick Katie to attempt to label these 6 states of the Northwest Territory. If you want to start labeling, and I will assess you as we go ahead and start labeling the states. Take your time. Okay, are those your attempts? Okay, I need you to look over your map again. You have 2 states that you got mixed up. Try and think what 2 states you might have mixed up. They're very close together. It's south of Michigan. Okay, there you go. Okay, wonderful. All right, you guys, each of you are going to be assessed in this way. I will send out a mass link in the email, and we will go from there. Not all of the answers are going to be the same. I'm going to end up mixing them up. We're going to end up doing partial states. I'll just have you identify one state or another, so don't think that it's going to be this easy. This is just a review, okay? All right, Katie, thank you very much. You may log out now.